Hello, and this is a little special video I'm going to do called Custom Controller Gone Wrong. As you can see, the controller's blurred out at the moment, but I will bring it in. This was the controller I was working up for myself. Basically, I got this controller. It was a bit broken in the bottom section there, where that tentacle is. Big crack. I tried to unscrew it and made the crack worse. So I'm thinking, what better way to do than a broken controller is customize it. And I went with the customization and thought I'd do a sort of Sea of Thieves style thing. Treasure and tentacles, like an octopus is there guarding its treasure. As you can see, it doesn't look too bad, I gotta say. I painted the gold. I went and put brush, what's the word? Watered down paint on it to make it like weathered here and there. And then I did the tentacles in air dry clay, painted them up and everything, and then I sprayed it in a clear coat, which is when everything went wrong for me. At this distance you can't really see it, but I'll bring it a bit closer and zoom it in. And as you can see, I got these lines here, got another one there, and then I've got some up here, which don't ruin it too much. I got another one there, and all the way down to here. So that's the front. Now on the back, you can see another one here through there. I think there's another one there and there. All the way down there. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad, might I say. But the problem of what happened was I originally, because the controllers are not black, and I used a black Sharpie and did the outline of where I wanted these tentacles, and then I did the tentacles and found out that none of the tentacles were in the same place, and it was making it too much, where this amount doesn't make it too much but also looks nice. And did the Sharpie, sprayed it gold. You couldn't see any of the black lines. Then when I was putting the clear coat on, that's when everything went wrong, and the clear coat was eating through the gold and getting into the Sharpie, which I'm really annoyed about. You don't notice it too much, and you can probably fix it in a way, but honestly, I'm unsure on what to do to make it fix it. My own thing was send it back and redo it all, but if someone can think of actually a way to fix it so I don't have to do all that, please be my guest. I would love to see this controller actually fully finished. So what I'll do for you guys, this is probably one of the only times it does, but controller, bit of a gap there, but that'll have to be, I won't be able to do that because it's, if you want to pull it apart. So that's the controller. So you can see there's the crack there, which I did my best to fix it up and everything, but I gotta say, it looks nice, the controller. I really do like it. But since the black lines are there, I just, I don't know what to do. Maybe I do it into like a treasure map on top of it. But that's my little controller going wrong. Yeah. Just a quick side note, if you want to see this controller finished, I will finish it. I've done up all the buttons, weathered them, and did the joysticks. I did do effect on them, but they just didn't turn out, so I'm just gonna get newer joysticks just to make it a bit more easy and whatnot. But that's the controller going wrong. So there you have it, controller gone wrong. Thank you.